Well, the market was travelling along relatively calmly at midday, having fallen a manageable 2% at the opening. But then Donald Trump started addressing the American people and announced that travel from Europe was cancelled for 30 days, including, he said, reading from a teleprompter, all trade and cargo. An hour later, he tweeted that it's people only, not trade and cargo. The relieved market recovered a bit then, and Tom Hanks tested positive for coronavirus on the Gold Coast. Now, I don't know if that caused the market to turn down again, which it did. It was probably a coincidence. But one thing that didn't have any impact, up or down, was the Australian government's stimulus package. Speaking of which, this chart compares the household cash part of it with the Labor government stimulus in 2008. A lot less money and fewer people, although this one is aimed more at businesses. Anyway, our market ended today 7.2% lower, which makes two 7% falls in a week, which is the first time that's happened since October 1987. Today we were just following US share index futures, which did this, as you can see on the chart, and German share index futures, which tanked as well, of course, as the prospect of zero BMWs and Mercedes shipping to the US for a month sank in and then sank out again. Some of the falls were breathtaking today, with travel companies copping at the most. Flight Centre and Webjet nearly 20% down. Corporate travel and Qantas 10%, and the two casinos 15% and 8%. Banks all fell about 8%, BHP 6.7%, and supermarkets falling less than 4%, which they did, was a win. Most Asian markets lost between 3% and 4% today. The oil price dropped nearly 7%, and the Australian dollar has fallen into the 64s now for the first time in 11 years. And that's finance. Thanks for watching. You can check out more finance news by clicking there, and don't forget to click subscribe down there to get all the latest updates from ABC News.